So I have some amazing questions about assignment 1. The first one is, hi Bob, for a single observation, are we allowed to provide more than one visualization? For example, I'd like to show off the entire dataset to reveal patterns that can be seen at a quick glance. However, the resulting visualization is quite busy and makes it difficult to see individual instances that I'm interested in. So as an extra visualization, I'd like to help make the observation clear by filtering out the values that aren't relevant to the question I want the visualization to answer. So the short answer to that is yes. So you can have one example with 2 images or 3 images, that's fine. The constraints are you need 3 different tools, 5 different visualization designs or visual designs, and 5 unique observations. But for one of your examples, you may have multiple images. I hope that clarifies that question. And the spirit behind this question is interesting because it's following the visualization mantra. The visualization mantra being overview first, filtering and selection, and then details on demand. So this is good. Did that make sense? Hopefully. And another question I got was, hi Dr. Larry, you could just call me Bob by the way. I was planning on creating some kind of proportional symbol map for one of the visualizations in part 1 of the coursework. Unfortunately, the data set provided on the Fingertips website and any other websites, as far as I know, do not provide longitude, latitude data that I would require for the visualization. I've managed to extract the geolocations of around 500 GPs. Would it be okay if I created a visualization around these 500 GPs to show proof of concept for the visualization? I would continue and get the other geolocations, but I'm concerned about the licensing of geoencoders. So the short answer is yes. The second answer is you can convert any postcode to latitude, longitude data. Well, you don't have to, but you can download an Excel file or a CSV file that has all the conversions already done. And I'll show that to you now. So if you go to this cool website called freemaptools.com, and then you click on the UK flag, what is that called? The hammer jack or something? Union Jack. Then you'll find this list of UK related map tools, right? And there you find download the UK postcodes with latitude and longitude. So somebody has already performed this exercise and you can download every single postcode mapped to latitude and longitude already. And it's freely available, right? You don't have to worry about licensing or anything like that. Very useful information. And I want to thank somebody. I want to thank Jonathan May for pointing this out. Is Jonathan here? No. Anyways, thank him anyways. He missed his 5 minutes of fame. Any other questions about assignment 1? I'm getting a psychic signal. Getting something. I'm getting readings. Powerful readings today. I have uploaded even more data to the eHealth folder on my webpage. So if you can find my webpage and add the word data and click on eHealth, you'll find even more spreadsheets, right, of very useful data sets. All the NHS practices with a map to a diagnosis, so covering the whole country of England with diagnoses. Well, prevalence values, they're also called. So you already know about the coronary heart disease and these ones. The ones I uploaded today are cancer, prevalence values, diabetes, heart failure, hypertension, kidney disease, mental health, osteoporosis, pulmonary disease, and stroke. All our favorite conditions. So that is a big help, I hope, for everybody. The excitement is overwhelming. Any other questions before we dig into the amazing material? Good, okay. If there are any questions, feel free to interrupt me at any time. I like interrupting.